Hi everyone, this is a medium difficulty GMAT problem solving question in probability. A good question. If you have come across this question, it would be an easy question. If you have not seen a question of this kind, there's a temptation to go with one of the answer options. We'll discuss that first and then discuss the question. Subsequently, we'll follow all of this with a bonus question for you guys to try. Let's get started with the question. A man can hit a target once in 4 shots. So he takes 4 shots, he'll hit the target in 1 shot, right? Once in 4 shots. If he fires 4 shots in succession, what is the probability that he'll hit his target? Right. Look at the answer options. Answer option A is very tempting. Right. The rationale for going with answer option A, which is incorrect, I'll state that upfront, is that he takes 4 shots. He's going to hit the target once. Now he's actually he's hitting the target once in 4 shots is what they've said. He's taking 4 shots. So he'll hit the target in one of those 4 shots. So the probability of him hitting the target is a certainty. In one of the 4 shots, he's going to hit the target. Because it's a certainty, we are tempted to go with answer option A, saying that it is 1. He will hit the target definitely is what we are likely to say. But there is a fallacy in it, and therefore it is not the correct answer. If you have not seen this question, you may be tempted to go with A, and that's incorrect. Let's look at why it is incorrect, how to basically arrive at the final correct answer in the subsequent slides. Right. Start with this. Let's say a man can hit a target once in 4 shots. Converting this in probability terms, the probability of his shot being a success, we'll call it P of S, is equal to 1 by 4. 1 in 4 shots is a success. Right. Now, what is the complement of this even? What is the opposite? It's like not hitting it at all, right? His failure of this is basically 3 by 4. I take a shot, I hit the target, or I fail. Probability of a success is 1 by 4. Probability of a failure is equal to 3 by 4. Now he's taking 4 shots in succession. What do you mean by hitting the target? He gets to hit the target at least once. Let's just make sense of that, right? If he hits in 4 shots, if he hits at least once, what does that mean? He hits the target once. He takes 4 shots, the first or the second or the third or the fourth, he hits the target, he's hit the target, it's a success. He hits the target twice, that's also a possibility. This is once, this is twice. 1 and 3 were success, 1 and 4 were success, 2 and 4 were success, right? So twice he hit the target out of the 4 successive shots, he still hit the target. He could be a good marksman that he hit it thrice. 1, 3, 4 were success, 2, 3, 4 were success, 1, 2, 4 were success. So he could have had multiple successes. Thrice he could have hit it. He has hit the target. Or he could be a phenomenal marksman that all 4 times, right, he hit the target. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 success. Right, he hit the target every single time. So if he had hit it once or twice or thrice or all 4 times, he would have hit the target. So we need to compute the probability for each of these things. Sum it up, that will give us the overall probability. It's probably a slightly better way of going about it. Right? When will he not hit the target at all? Right? The first one is a failure. Second one is a failure. Third one is a failure. Fourth one is a failure. All 4 shots he missed it. Then all 4 missed is what is not going to lead him to hit the target, right? So if he hit the target at least once, he's hit the target. If he fails in all 4 attempts is when he has missed it. This is the opposite of what we want. This is not the outcome that we are looking for. This is the complement of the event that we are interested in. So let's find out the probability, the complement of the event, which is much easier than finding this out. Once is which one? Is it the first one or the second or the third or the fourth? We'll have to account for that. Twice. Which 2? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Multiple things will have to be done here. Little bit more cumbersome than looking at this. Here, all 4 are failures. That's the opposite of what we want. All 4 are failures. We'll call it probability of all 4 failed. That is equal to the probability of the first shot being a failure is 3 by 4. The second one being a failure is a 3 by 4. Third one being a failure is a 3 by 4. Fourth one being a failure is also 3 by 4. So the probability of missing all 4 shots is equal to 3 raised to the power of 4, which is 81, divided by 4 raised to the power of 4, which is equal to 256. So all 4 failed. This is a probability. So probability of at least 1 success, right? At least 1 hit is basically 1 minus the probability of all 4 failing. which is 1 minus 81 divided by 256. 256 is the common denominator. 256 minus 81 is what we are talking about. The answer option is 175 by 256. Choice D is the correct answer to this question. As I promised, here is a bonus question for us. A man can hit a target once in 4 shots. If he fires 4 shots in succession, to this point everything is the same. What is the probability that he'll hit the target in 2 of the 4 shots? Right. 2 of the 4 he should hit the target. What is the probability of getting that done? Right. So it could be 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Any combination of 2 of the targets, 2 of the shots he should basically hit the target. What is the probability of achieving that? These are the 4 answer options. Give it a shot and post your answers in the comment section. Best wishes.